Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, in the previous class, what we are discussed? Multiples. In that class, we are studying how to skip count by 5. How to skip count by 7, 2, 4, 8. Are you do all problems? Are you find out the common multiples? Multiples of 7, 2, 4, 8. These are the questions. These questions are you do? Okay. Then today we are going to skip count by 5. Are you ready to skip count by 5? Skip count by 5. Starting from 0. Okay, first 0, starting 0. Second, very good, 5. Third, 10. Then 15. Then 20. Next, 25. Then 30. Then 35. 40. 45. 50. Etc. Okay. Skip count by 5. Starting from 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, etc. Then skip count by 10. What are the values of skip count by 10? Skip count by 10. Starting from 0. Yes, first 10. Then 20. Next. Very good, 30. Then 40. 50. Then 60. Then 70. 80. Very good. Then 90. 100. Etc. Okay. Skip 1 by 10 is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then look these numbers. This is the multiples of 5. This also multiples of 10. So what is our topic? Today's topic? You say what is today's topic? Very good. Multiples of 5 and 10. Our topic is multiples of 5 and 10. Today's our topic is multiples of 5 and 10. Then, in the previous class we are discussed how to find the common multiples. Then, find the common multiples of common multiples of 5 and 10. Find the common multiples of 5 and 10. From these two multiples, this is multiples of 5, this is multiple of 10. So from these two multiples, find the common number. Which is the common here? Very good, 10 is here. In both multiples, 10 is there. Next, 20. Very good. Next, 30 is there. Then 40. Then 50. This is the common multiples of 5 and 10 in between 0 and 50. This is the common multiples of 5 and 10 in between 0 and 50. What's 55? Okay, and then what is the next common multiple? What is the next common multiple? Yes, 60 is the, okay, 60 is common multiple of 5 and 10. Okay, now you got how to get the common multiples. The next question. Next question, 15th multiple of 5. First question, 15th multiple of how you get the 15th multiple of 5? In the previous class we have discussed how to get 15th multiple of 7. Yes, 15 here. How to get the 15th multiple of 5? 15 into 5. 15 into 5. 5 we are writing the ones place of down. In down, ones place. Then we want to multiply each numbers. First, we multiply with ones place digit. 5 into 5. 25. In 25, which number we are writing here? Which digit we are writing here? Ones place or tens place? Yes, ones place digit. So, we are writing 5 here to as carry. Then 5 into 1. 5 into 1? 5. Then, we want to multiply or add or subtract to 2. Yes, we want to add that. 1 into 5, 5. Then, add to 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So, what is this 15th multiple of 5? 75. Same way, 15th multiple of 10. What is the 15th multiple of 10? It's very easy. 15 into 10. 15 into 10. 1 into 10, 10. 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 10, 2. Then put 1 0. 3 into 10, 30. 3. Then put 1 0. 4 into 10, 40. 4. Then put 1 0. So 15 into 10. Yeah. 15 into 10. 15, then put 1 0. What is this? 150. Okay, using tens multiple very easy. We are putting 1 0. And 100 also. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. We are putting 2 zeros. Okay. Then, we will do another problem. Find the third question. Find the 25th multiple of find the 25th multiple of 10. And fourth question, 47th multiple of find the 47th multiple of 5. Let's do alone. Find the 25th multiple of 10 and 47th multiple of 5. Do alone. After writing only you listen here. Okay. Okay, all are get the answer? Can I say the answer? 25th multiple of 10 means 25 into 10. 25 into 10. First we are writing 25, then put 1 0. What is this? 250. Then 47th multiple of 5. 47 into 5. 47 into 5. 5 into 7. 35. We are writing 5 here. 3 as carry. 5 into 20. 5 into 4. 20. 20 plus 3. Good. 23. Then anyone all have got this answer? 250 and 235. Then anyone have a doubt to find the common multiples of 5 and 10 and 25th or any numbers multiple of 10 and 5? Okay, your textbook 29, question, page number 29. First question, state whether true or false. Here 2 questions are given, which is true, which is false. You just mark it. Then, which of these numbers are common multiples of 5 and 10? Find the common multiples. You know that. What are the common multiples of 5 and 10? From this, which are the numbers for common multiples of 5 and 10? That you tick it. Write the common multiples of 2, 5, 10 between each given set of the numbers. Write the all common multiples of 2, 5, 10 in between 10 and 30. That you write down. Write the common multiples of 2, 5, multiples of 2, 5, 10. Then find out the common multiples in between 10 and 30. Next, 25 and 45. Okay. Then, next, then from your workbook, page number 24. Skip count by 5 and write the missing numbers. Here some numbers are missing. That you write down. Do as directed. Write the multiples of 5. Here 1 into 5, 5 is there. Then 5 into 4, 20. So that like you find out here. Write the multiples of 10. 1 into 10, 10. The multiples you write here. The white place. Shade the common multiples of 5 and 10. Here find the common multiples of 5 and 10. You shade it. What are the first 3 common multiples of 2, 5, 10? You write down the multiples of 2, then 5, then 10. Find the first 3 common multiples of 2, 5, 10. In this section, multiples we are checking how to find the common multiples, then how to find the multiples. Okay. Then I hope all are understand this section. Wish you all the best. Thank you.